Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Min. Today you will be learning Chinese through popular Chinese song, The Longest Movie by Jay Chou. I chose this song because it's my most favorite song of Jay Chou. I'll be breaking down two parts of the song so that you can learn Chinese easily. 我们的开始是很长的电影，放映了3年，我票都还留着。我 means I， 我们 means we， 我们的 it becomes our。开始 is start， or beginning。是 is， 很 is very， 长 is long， 电影 is movie。的 is used to connect the adjective to the noun. So long 长 is the adjective and movie 电影 is the noun. So it's a long movie. 长的电影。放映 means play, and this word is usually used for movie. 了 makes it a past tense, so it's ed, played. 3 is 3. 年 is years. 我 is I. 票 is ticket. 还 is still. 留 is keep. 这 makes it a continuous tense, so it's skipping. 都 has a meaning of even. So I am even still keeping the ticket. 再给我2分钟，让我把记忆结成冰，别融化了眼泪，你妆都花了，要我怎么记得？记得你要我忘了吧，记得你叫我忘了吧。你说你会哭，不是因为在乎。再 is again. 给 is give. 我 can be I or me, and in this case it's me. 两 is 2. 分钟 is minutes. In other words, it can be give me 2 more minutes or again give me 2 minutes. Run is let. Wo is me. 记忆 is memory. Jie Chou is freeze. Bing is ice. Ba is make. Bie is do not. Rong Hua is melt. Yan Lei is tears. Ni is you. Zhuang is makeup. Do is even. Hua is when your makeup is smudged or ruined. Le is ed. Yao is one. Wo is me. 怎么 is how to. Ji de is remember. Ji de is remember. Ni is you. Yao is want. Wo is me. 忘了吧。忘 is forget. And 忘了吧 means just forget. Similar is remember, you. 叫 is call or tell. Me, to forget or just forget. 忘了吧。你说 你 is you. 说 is say. Ni is you. 会 is will.哭 is cry. 不 is no. 不是 is no or do not. 为 is because. 在乎 is care.